今考えた
What are you thinking about?
どっちが先に早く四つ葉何クローバー
Ah, four-leaf clover.
いや
Oh, are we looking for four-leaf clovers?
を探せるかバトル
Okay. Let's go.
でまーちゃんじゃあ今からやりますが
We're gonna play a game. We're gonna play a game.
じゃあ負けたらこの後のスターバックス飲み物を2つ買うOK?
はい。
なぜならば僕は買いたくないからです
That's so rude. I'm your girlfriend.
よし行こう
Ready?
Let's start
終わった。
は待って待って待って
One, two, three, four.
待って嘘でしょ
シャンピオン。
待ってそれはやばいそれはやばい待って今スタートして2秒ぐらいだったよ僕今こう話してる時に絶対探したでしょ
Let's play again. Ready? Go. 3, 2, 1, go. また。Ryoji-kun, you are slow.
いやスローだもんじゃああなた話してもう一回行こうもう一回はいもう一回
One more?
うん
Okay, we have to close our eyes. That means he has only 2 Starbuckses. 2 Starbucks drinks.
レイゴ
Go.
すごくないちゃんとその時間終わったやばすぎ
I used to practice with my grandmother.
え待って
Boom, 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 boom. Number 3. Ready? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 3.
楽しくないわ
I'm just so good at this game. Yay. I want a soy chai latte.
いや
Venti.
最悪僕が今からスターバックスを買わないといけません
Good job, baby. So beautiful. So, right now, we are on our way to Subway, the sandwich shop, not the chikatetsu. And Ryoji is going to try his first Subway sandwich. And I'm really excited. He's not, because he doesn't understand yet how amazing Subway sandwiches are.
ベジタリアンの人もいるの
Oh yeah. There's lots of vegan and vegetarian options at Subway because you get to make your own sandwich. You get to choose what you want on it. It's so exciting. So he's gonna try the sandwich for the first time. They have chicken, but I think we should both get vegan sandwiches. It's a good idea, right? Olive dake. Olive nashi. Are you so excited? This will change your life. It's official. We have Subway sandwiches. Now we're gonna go to the park to eat them.
Yes.
I went with avocado veggie, vegan style.
まあ僕はもちろんチキン買ったけどね。
Yeah, and of course he loves chicken. So what can you do, right?
もちろんチキン。
It's time.
じゃあまず罰ゲームで先ほどゲームで負けたのでサンドイッチを買いました。これなんだっけ、タンドリー。
He got tandoori chicken,
うん、
but it has a lot of vegetables on it.
なんか新しいやつね。大きいな。これ美味しい。美味しい。
You love it?
うん。
Woo!
I like it.
Wanna try mine? It's about the same, but mine has avocado.
これちょっとスパイシーな感じ。
Mine too. Yay! So, first Subway is a success.
セクサス。
Success.
何セクサ
You're dropping stuff, baby.
ス。セクサス何？
Success. Success.
セクサ
No, sex tonight. Success.
ス。サクセ
Yeah, success means.
ス。わさび。
Do you know fail? Fail. It's
F-A-I-L,
fail.
yeah.
Yeah. Fail no hantai. Success. Like, moshi, Ryoji like, aji ga totemo warui, daikidai. これは fail.
うん。
でも、oh, 美味しい success.
セクサス。
It's a success.
アナちゃんはフライドポテトが好きなのでちゃんとフライドポテトもあります。
I really have a problem with how much I love French fries.
めっ
Ew.
ちゃついてる。
Don't show everybody. But you know, you have to get messy when you're eating a sandwich. If you don't get messy, it's not a good sandwich.
そういうことね。
Yeah, and I've been trying to teach Ryoji to use his hands. And in America, before Corona, I don't know if it's different now, but you would. It's finger looking good. You know? Finger looking. But in Japan, you guys have these nice little bags to protect your hands. Yeah, in the States, the sub sandwich comes wrapped in paper, but not like this. Hamburgers are the same way here. They wrap up the hamburgers.
違うアメリカと全
Yeah, you gotta touch it like this. You gotta hold it.
然絶対タッチしたくない。
It doesn't taste as good. If you don't touch it, you have to touch it.
そんなテイスト変わる？
Absolutely. Yours tastes like paper.
それはないわ。